Hello again, Pietro here. Have you had trouble sleeping? Let me guess. Insomnia? Maybe your room's too dark? Or maybe you just need a little help calming down? If you ever tried a sleep mask, I entered this contest and SOMO, well, between SOMO and Aura, and they sent me one. Let's take a look. Here goes nothing. Make a small incision. Okay, that's kind of a big incision. SOMO, rest easy. Very plain packaging, but I like it. Oh, nice. Wow. Okay, light. Okay, that's it. I think we're done with the knife. Knife safety, right, Malakwa? One sleep, one solution, infinite benefits. Oh, I like that already. Reduces stress, induce calm, and invite sleep. Oh, I said that wrong. One sleep solution, infinite benefits. Okay. Reduce stress, induce calm, and invite sleep. In other words, whenever you need an off switch for your brain, SOMO to sleep. Fall asleep faster, deeper, and for longer with clinically proven benefits of acupressure and light blocking. Brought together for the very first time. SOMO to recover. Trust SOMO to help you recharge, replenish, and heal, preparing you to be your best and deliver your best every single day. Experience the SOMO sphere, clinically shown to reduce, okay, scan to learn how. Ooh, the ocean, love it already. So we have little aura tags there. SOMO, rest easy. Wow, that is really small font. Okay. And inside, ooh, it's blue. Ooh, and stretchy Velcro, so it's adjustable. Nice. What does that thing do? I guess that's the, is that a magnet? Nope. So this is my Aura 2.0, my Aura Gen 3, Aura Gen 3, and this is my circular prototype ring, hence the tape. So I have 3 Aura rings. Okay. Put in wash bag. Oh, that's the wash bag? Cool. Nice wash bag. Just a nice bag in general. Okay, well, let me scan this real quickly. Where's my phone? Good news, found my phone. The nothing phone. So just get that QR code. SOMO Better Sleep is just the beginning. No, I already have it. To relax and relax. No, I already have it. Infinite benefits, better sleep. Products. Yes, I have the product. SOMO Sleep. Okay, yep, I have it. 60 bucks. Description. Yep, read all that. Premium eye shade. The acupressure point minimizes eyelash contact and promotes airflow. That's the convex dome shape right there. I'll be honest, this looks like a bra for your eyes. Sorry. Lightweight, hypoallergenic. Okay, one size fits all. SOMO blog, adjusting your mass, activating the SOMO sphere. The SOMO Sleep Mass Fitness Mass is designed to apply a constant, gentle pressure to the yin-tang acupressure point. For enhanced activation, apply additional light pressure to the SOMO sphere for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. The addition of a circular motion can promote further relaxation. People respond differently to acupressure. let's try it. When in doubt, you know, just be a guinea pig for yourself, right? Okay, we should take off this tag. Now, I've tried a sleeping mask on before, but I've never gone to bed with a mask on. So today it's gonna be, well, tonight. Okay, yeah, I can, whoa, that's too tight. So I'm supposed to like rub the center of that, I guess. I'm just kidding, sorry. I'm just, that was just in jest. Not making fun of any people that wear, that's better. Huh. So I can almost open my eyes because of, you know, the dome. It's comfortable. Yeah, I can sort of feel that pressure right there. Hello? Peekaboo. All right. I like it. I'm going to wear it to bed. Okay, I will see you in the morning. Good night. Good evening. You know what we forgot? An overnight test. Let's give it a try, shall we? Here's the charger. The Momax Q Mag, MagSafe, dual charger, wireless charging stand. Pretty cool, right? And then we have the OEM cable. USB-C to USB-C, and they even branded it Momax. Very nice. And then I'm going to plug it in to this little softball plug by Anker. We have a PD port, which stands for fast. There we go. See, a little light. That means we have power. And we grab the iPhone. It's in airplane mode. Perfect. And just, I love MagSafe. There we go. I'll see you in a good, I don't know, 7 to 9 hours, maybe 10 if I'm lucky. Good night.